Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, and I'm excited to be here today with the announcement that I've been selected to be on the Little Birdie Crafts guest design team again this year, which is a huge honor for me. I love this company, and I'll tell you a little bit more about why I love them as we do this unboxing video. I received a huge box in the mail, and I finally got a chance to open it up, and I want to show you what came in this wonderful box. It was huge and it was loaded. Little Birdie really knows how to pamper their design team. So I received 2 of these 6x6 Songs of the Sea paper pads. I love their paper. I love that it's one-sided so that I never feel like I'm wasting a pattern, and I love the weight of it. This is 110-pound paper, so it is super sturdy, but it cuts and scores like butter. So each of these pads has 24 sheets, 2 each of the 12 designs, and as you can see, it's just beautiful. This is one of my favorite collections. And then they have these wonderful little doilies, and then wonderful cut-apart pages. And one of the things that is new are these elements. They're die-cut elements, and I just want to open one of these up to show you how fabulous they are. They are all glittered. Look at this mermaid. Is she not fantastic? Glittered and die-cut, so literally all you have to do is add your foam adhesive. Look at this anchor. Is that not gorgeous? And then just add these to your project, and you get a ton of them in a package. It's incredible. 44 pieces, all glittered, all die cut, really sturdy, very beautiful. So it makes it really easy to put together an excellent layout. Then the next thing I received, this is a new one to me, and I'm really excited about it. This is their Purple Passion collection, which I think is so pretty for winter projects. Again, 6x6 pads, which are great for card making. Even mini albums and folios are wonderful done in this size. But again, 24 sheets of this beautiful heavyweight paper with gorgeous botanical designs. And I can just see some really pretty. These colors remind me of winter when the sun is setting on the snow. It's very beautiful. So I think I can do some really pretty winter and spring projects with this collection. There's the little cut aparts, super sweet. And then also these journal cards that came with. Now this makes card making so quick and easy. Look how beautiful these are. I mean, just gorgeous. So you get 24 cards, 2 of each design in these beautiful botanical prints. And I just, look at these sweet birds. Love, love, love these images. Look at, is that not stunning? So already my mind is racing with ideas for projects. One of the things I love about Little Birdie is the way they give back to their community. You may not be aware, but they actually provide jobs for rural women, jobs and job training for rural women who otherwise would really be in a tough position. But they provide jobs for them so that those women can then put their children in school. So in that way, they are like shaping the future of India, which is very exciting to me. The other thing they do is they rescue orphaned children, particularly girls, and they place them in homes. They see to it that they are fed well, clothed well, educated well, so that they have a bright future. And I love being part of a company that has such strong values. So that is one of the reasons I'm always really proud and happy to be either on their design team or their guest designer team. I know Rashmi and Harish personally, and they are 2 of the finest people you would ever want to meet. They are generous, they are kind. I really have a lot of respect for them. So the next thing we have, I got some of these wonderful little die cuts to go with my poppies and roses. I had some of this paper left over from my last term, but these die cuts were new and they're so pretty. And I love the die cuts because it means that you can put together, look at that, you can put together a fantastic project in not a whole lot of time. So loving these images and the glitter and all of that. They're just really, really beautiful. Shabby Chic. I love the Shabby Chic paper pack, and I have some of that left from my last term. So I asked them please to send me the Shabby Chic die cuts to go with it. And again, these die cuts are they're just beautiful. Look at these lovely little birds. How sweet are they? Wreaths, and I love that they're open. This makes a great shaker element. Look at all of these, so pretty. This ornate lamp post. I could see this used for Christmas as well, like a pink Christmas theme. Really, really beautiful. So I got some of those. The other collection I got was the Aqua Medley, and this is a really beautiful paper pack. I want to show you just how pretty it is. There's the cut aparts, and they make it so easy for you to cut apart because there's a line and then there's a shadow around it. Beautiful borders. And again, this is 110-pound paper, 12 sheets, 2 of each design. But look at this. Isn't that dreamy? These colors and these butterflies, just so beautiful. I love this textured kind of burlap or linen. Glorious paisley, this botanical print, this lovely faded dot, these beautiful blue flowers. And then these guys are so easy, they just punch out like that. Automatic focal for your card or mini album. And then these cut apart journal cards. So that is a wonderful collection. And then I'm so excited about this because some of you thought Little Birdie had gone out of business, but they were just shut down for COVID like everybody else. They have a brand new paper pack, a brand new line, and this one is masculine. It's called the Classic Gentleman. I got some wonderful chipboard gears to go with this. These fantastic journal cards, which I just think they are so clever. Look how cute these are. So these are fun. Wonderful. Masculine cards are so hard to make, but this will be easy. Maybe this will be the first thing I do because I just love these vintage images. Look at that. Beautiful. Hot air balloon, piano. I mean, this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous vintage collection. All the men's hats, bicycle and gears. So great for birthdays, anniversaries, even Valentine's Day, super sweet. So look at these, the old telephone. You could even use that on a feminine project and that would be great. So I'm very excited about this collection. I have been wanting to get my hands on it. So I'm super excited. And then they sent me the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6. And I just want to show you the papers because they're fabulous. Look at these. I just love how vintage they are. Great details, great layering, and just wonderful themes for masculine cards. Trains. I know a lot of people love trains and they're hard to find. The horseless carriage, the top hats, and then these little doilies. And of course, these in the 12 by 12 are those big punch out circles that I showed you. So that's fun. Here's cut aparts. Really fantastic. I can't wait to play with this one. Oh, look at this. Words, more cut aparts. This is a wonderful collection. I'm excited to get busy with this collection. So I have that in 6 by 6 and 12 by 12, and that's the papers. So look at this primed chipboard clock. Isn't the detail on this fantastic? Then, did you know they have a die cutting machine? It's called the Dream Cut, and I have one, and it is magnificent. It's just the cutest little thing. Let me grab it for you. This is comparable in size to a Cuttlebug. It's very heavy. It's all metal parts, and everything rolls through this and cuts like butter. It doesn't take up a ton of room on my work desk, and it is sharp. I just love it, and it's cute. So I wanted to promote this for them because I think it's such a great little machine, and the price is excellent too. So they sent me some dies, and look, they sent me 2 of each one. So I guess I'm going to have to do a giveaway. So I'm going to give away to US followers this set of 4 thin cut dies. Now these dies will work with any die cutting system. But look, a film strip, how fun, clocks, gears, and these wonderful little banner pieces. So leave a comment below, and I'll come up with a date. Somebody's going to win a set of these 4 dies. Fantastic. And they cut like butter. They're really, really good. And if that wasn't enough, I also got these really fun sets of cords. Now, I love to make banners, and I can see where these would just be a great way to string a banner, but they're also, look how great this would be on a masculine card. Just tie a bow with that. So I love these. I'm really excited about those. And then, of course, this is what you've all been waiting for, the flowers. And honestly, Little Birdie has hands down the most beautiful flowers in the industry, and they were so generous with me. Look at, I requested these purple ones to go with the purple passion. Look how great they match. Isn't that gorgeous? So we'll have some fun with those. And then look at this. This is one of my favorite, this is called Helene, I think. Yes, this is Helene, and I love this mix of flowers. It comes in all different colors. This one is the Aqua Medley, and I love that it has different shades, different shapes. It has little tall pieces. It has pollen buds. And it has the foliage. You can build gorgeous, gorgeous floral clusters with these. And then if you want to add a little mixed media, you can brush the edges with gel medium and sprinkle on glitter. You can take some of their wonderful metallic wax and add gilding to the edges. These are wonderful, and they'll take all that mixed media treatment. Then the Rosalind roses have to be, I mean, these are stunning. This one is called, I think, Moonlight. Shabby Chic, sorry. And look, same thing here. You get these little wire coils, you get the foliage, you get the rose buds, you get the tiny roses, and you get medium size and large. So you can build the most amazing floral clusters. So I got this in every story collection. This one goes with the birds and berries. Here's another one of the Helene, which I just love. Then I've got this wonderful, this one is called Celebrate Life. So it's these various shades of pink. And then if you want a lighter shade of pink, look at this. This is pearl pink, I think. Yes. I love both of these pink ones. So shabby, so gorgeous. Then, of course, the Sangria. Yep, Sangria, which are these beautiful deep shades of red. And then these gorgeous, what is this one? Song of the Sea. So these coordinate perfectly with this collection. How beautiful is that? And then this one, look at this color. Isn't that outstanding? This is called Arctic Ice, and it's gorgeous. And then let me see, there's one more. Look at these. I mean, talk about eye-popping. These are Rosalind Boho. So absolutely gorgeous. And they sent me 2 of each of those. So I'm thrilled. I could not be more thrilled. So that is my guest designer package haul from Little Birdie Crafts. I'm on the team through July. So I'm very excited. I'll be sharing 1 project a month with a tutorial. So watch my YouTube channel, subscribe to my blog at kathybydesign.com. Check out Little Birdie Crafts. You will not believe their prices. Their online website ships all over the world, And I believe if you spend $100, shipping is free, so you can't beat that. So that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. Thanks for helping me empty my design team box. Don't forget to leave a comment so that you can win this set of 4 cutting dies. All right, guys, gonna go get my craft done. Bye.